Good evening. The province is expanding who can get a COVID booster shot. As of December 13th, anyone 50 and up can start booking to get their third jab. The province's top doctor is urging everyone who can to get it.
We have a tough winter ahead of us.
With rising cases and the unknowns that come with the Omicron variant, the province is expanding eligibility so another 5.3 million people can get a booster. But the chief medical officer of health is stopping far short of the U.S., where the CDC is calling everyone 18 and up to get a third dose. Dr. Moore says with an emphasis on getting children 5 to 11 vaccinated and flu shot season underway, he doesn't want to overwhelm the system.
I hope you'll bear with us. It'll be staged and phased.
So far, 12% of youngsters have now been vaccinated. Dr. Moore hopes to see that increase to 50% by the end of the year. Peel's medical officer of health, Dr. Lawrence Lowe, today emphasized the importance.
Of the nearly 200,000 children aged 5 to 11 that have been infected with COVID-19 across Canada throughout the pandemic, over 1,000 have been hospitalized. That's 1,000 kids too many.
The first Omicron variant was confirmed in the GTA today in the Durham region. The resident came into contact with a returning traveler from a country of concern in southern Africa. Potential cases are still being tested, with more expected to be positive.
As you know, there were 375 people that were identified, so we're dealing with all of them. We're doing the genome sequencing on all of the samples.
Scientists still don't know if the variant is deadlier or more transmissible, but Dr. Moore is optimistic vaccines will still have an impact. He said so far some patients with the variant were vaccinated and some weren't.
All of us are paying very close attention to how much those 30 or so mutations in the spike protein will affect the effectiveness of the vaccine. That science is not out yet, but we certainly think there'll be some evidence of protection.
So, as of Monday, December 13th, people 50 and up can get a booster shot, providing it's been 168 days since their second dose. More age groups will be eligible in January. If capacity isn't being overwhelmed, that timeline could be sped up. Also, a limited supply of the one-dose Johnson & Johnson will be available today to people who have an allergy to the mRNA vaccines or at the request of those who have not yet been vaccinated.